how to buy cat coin token. So this token came under the symbol of CAX. Now, if you can spell it, the symbol, it says CATTT. So this is the symbol of that token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 3 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, just click it to copy the token address and open your funds to wallet for that. As you can see, after that, I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now, first of all, as you can see, click on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now, click here, this token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also now click on it, and after that, click on understand. After that, as you can see, you can type how much you want to buy. Now, here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, click here on pricing. Now, click on provider. Now, select Jupiter and click on apply. Now, go back. And after that, you will be able to see here swap. Now, click on it, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buying process. So, this is how to buy CAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.